What's going on, guys? Today I want to tell you about this awesome set of bar stools that I have right here. Now, the company sent me these over to check out, so let's go ahead and take a look. When it comes to putting the bar stools together, they do come disassembled, but it didn't take me more than like 10 minutes to get both bar stools fully assembled. The first thing I wanted to show you is the adjustment range of these bar stools, because the biggest question you have when buying bar stools is that will they work on counter height or are they specifically made for bar height? The best thing about these is that they can be used for both. So here, I believe, oh, no, I'm down a little bit. I am at the lowest setting. So here's the lowest setting. Of course, this is my kitchen island, which is counter height. So that means that, I can easily use this for counter height, no problem. The adjustment range is 36.5 inches to 45.5 inches. So counter height works no problem. But if I actually get up and put this all the way up, you'll see that it goes all the way up to bar height. So you can easily use this for both bar height and counter height situations. Now, as we take a closer look here, you can see that I have the 2-pack here. Now, these are only sold in 2-packs, and then you have a bunch of different color options as well as material options. So I have the PU leather in gray, and the gray is definitely gray. It's not black, it's not discolored or anything like that. The PU leather feels really nice, it looks really nice, and as I'll show you, it's very comfortable as well. And then the actual stools, or the stands themselves, they have this really nice chrome finish, which just looks amazing. Now, when it comes to using these bar stools, I actually use them pretty much every day. I've had them for about 3 weeks, and I sit here pretty much every time I'm eating lunch or dinner. And as I sit down here, one of the things I love about these compared to other bar stools is that you do get the backrest. So a lot of bar stools are just the seat. You don't get any back support, but here you can kind of relax a little bit, which is definitely nice. Now, if you're wondering about load capacity, these will support up to 330 pounds, which is definitely nice. Now, as you can see, I'm kind of moving around. These support a 360-degree swivel, which is definitely nice. Of course, you have the footrest there at the bottom, which allows you to be really comfortable. And on the side here, we have our little lever that allows us to adjust these up or down. So again, I am at the lowest setting, and I can bring these really high up as well. So it's really easy to do. And again, we can just adjust it down. So if you are looking for a set of bar stools, ones that are easy to set up, they look great, they're very comfortable as well, and they are easy to use, this is a set that I would definitely recommend.